Why, hello there. Today we look at Premier Tudor Black Bay Chrono Blue Boutique Edition. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. If your reaction was, yet another chrono? Let me stop you right there. We are fully with your first impression. However, at HHN we go deeper with our research, and the closer we have looked at this new Tudor, the more interesting it seemed to us. Let's start with the bracelet. Did you notice it has 5 links? Definitely a Rolex vibe there. But there's that unmistakable Tudor T-fit clasp the brand is universally applauded for. Moving on to the watch itself, it's a different shade of blue as compared to the Blue Black Bay. Not only it is more subtle, but if you magnify it, it is clearly a sunburst dial. Haven't seen one of those in a Tudor for more than a while. And those silver subdials, don't even get me started. That is a design written with a capital D. Zooming out, it's a wearable and attractive watch. Elegant, yet sporty. It will time whatever you need to time, but it can deliver the result without a cluttered dial and a compromise on the features. It has a robust water resistance, and there's a date window, making it a perfect all-around daily driver. If that's boring, then at HHN, we are perfectly fine with it. The world would be a better place if more things would deliver quality consistently. Now, where is the closest Tudor boutique? You can't order it online. And that ticks all the boxes for today. Thank you for your time and catch you in the next one.